Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Moira Filler, I'm the founder of Craftiosity and I've been teaching creative workshops for years, including for the National Trust Anthropology and Kirsty Allsop's Handmade Fair. This month we're taking inspiration from handwriting, from quickly jotted notes to old-fashioned letters. There's something special about handwriting that words on a screen just don't compete with. But there's no ink in sight. Intrigued? Let's show you this month's kit. We're making a drawstring bag using two different processes. First, creating a sparkling blue hand silhouette using iron-on foil, then adding stitch details to create your own sewn envelope. And as ever, templates are provided in your kit. There's something so lovely about the creativeness of our hands, whether it's making or writing, and this is a great project to personalise. If you love the bag we've created, we'll show you step by step how to do that. But the template of the hand that we're giving you could also be adapted to hold an embroidered flower or to hold a pencil writing out a line of text. The bag itself is a great size. Here it is. So perfect for when you're out and about and avoiding plastic, or as a wee laundry bag if you're away for the weekend. Your kit includes everything you need for the project. You'll just need an iron, scissors, a ruler and a pencil sharpener. We've just opened the doors for new subscribers, so if you'd like to join us for this kit and have a modern craft kit landing on your doorstep each month, just follow the link below. There's more information on our website. This is a limited edition craft kit and last orders will close this Sunday 31st of March at midnight. If you'd love to get crafting with us, just follow the link to learn more.